Welcome back, Algebra 2 students, to the final video of the Unit 2 study guide series. We're going to consider the polynomial m of x is equal to 2x cubed minus 4x squared minus 7x plus 15. I want to know what is the remainder when m of x is divided by x minus 5. And we got to explain or show our reasoning. So we want to know what the remainder is. Finding the remainder is easy because we can do this two ways. The first way, we can just flat out divide. So in this case, I can say 2x cubed minus 4x squared minus 7x plus 15 divided by x minus 5. Okay, so now same like regular division. I'm just going to say that I can multiply my x by 2x squared. 2x squared times x gives me 2x cubed. 2x squared times negative 5, that gives me a negative 10x squared. Put it in parentheses. I'm going to subtract. 2x cubed minus 2x cubed, that gets canceled out. Negative 4x squared minus negative 10x, that becomes a plus, so that's going to be a positive 6x squared. Bring down the negative 7x. Again, if you need to pause this so I can slow down for you, you can do that. I need to multiply my x by a 6x, so plus 6x. 6x times x, that gives me 6x squared. 6x times negative 5, that's going to give me negative 30x. Put it in parentheses. I'm going to subtract. The 6x squared gets canceled. It's negative 7x minus negative 30, that becomes a positive, so it's going to be 23x. I'm going to bring down my positive 15, plus 15. I need to multiply my x by 23, so it's going to be plus 23. So 23 times x, that's going to be 23x. 23 times negative 5, that's going to be negative 115. Again, you can double check this on your calculator. I put this in parentheses, subtract. 23x minus 23x, this gets canceled out. 15 minus negative 115, that becomes a positive, so it's going to be 115 plus 15, that gives me a positive 130. They just asked me what is my remainder. My remainder is 130. So that's how you find your remainder with division, right? So you can put your remainder up here. So remainder 130, that's part of your answer. Or this is the other method. If I know I'm using x minus 5, I just set it equal to 0. I add 5 on both sides. And I get that x is equal to 5. And I'll just plug in the 5 to my equation. So it's going to be, let me scoot this a little bit to the right so that I have more space. I can say 2 times 5 cubed minus 4 times 5 squared minus 7 times 5 plus 15. And I'm going to remember to set it equal to 0. Remember, your goal is to make sure that everything on the right side stays equal to 0, and everything on the left side should be equal to what's on the right side. In this case, 0. So I know that this is going to be 2 times 125 minus 4 times 25 minus what's 7 times 5? That's going to be minus 35 plus 15, and that's going to be equal to 0. Okay. I know that this is going to be 250 minus 100 minus 35 plus 15. And that should again be equal to 0. So now I'm going to go ahead, type this into my calculator. I can type this into my calculator, and I'm going to end up with 130 is equal to 0. Is that statement true? No, that statement is false. So my remainder is 130. Okay, that is the second way I can find a remainder. If you have any questions about this study guide, Feel free to ask me for help directly or simply re-watch a part of the video that you didn't understand. And best of luck on your Unit 2 exam. So yes, review, study, and try your best. Please, 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 if you have any questions, feel free to ask. I am here to help you. Good luck on your exam.